Mel 2204, your pageant vlogger host. Subscribe! Good day pageant lovers! Malapit na ang Grand Coronation Night ng Miss Grand Philippines 2025. At syempre, hindi magpapahuli ang iba't ibang mga pageant pages sa pagbibigay ng kani-kanilang mga final hot picks. Ngayon ay talakayin natin ang official final hot picks ng Parade of Beauty na talaga namang inaabangan ng maraming pageant fans. Parade of Beauty for Miss Grand International Philippines 2025 Top 15 Final Hot Picks. At number 15, we have Alabang, Muntinlupa. Number 14, Occidental Mindoro. Top 13, Aklan. Number 12, Pangasinan. Number 11, Batangas. For top 10, we have Quezon City. Number 9, Laguna. Number 8, Rizal Province. Number 7 spot goes to Davao Region. Number 6, Tarlac Province. And now, let's move on to our top 5 final hot picks from Parade of Beauty. And this is number 5, Bulacan. Number 4, Bicolandia. Number 3, Taguig City. Number 2, Zambales. And number 1 is Pampanga. Who do you think will win and wear the crown for this year's Miss Grand Philippines 2025 competition? Nalalapit na ang Grand Coronation Night this coming August 24, 7 p.m. at Mall of Asia Arena. Huwag kalimutan na tumutok sa channel na ito dahil magbibigay tayo ng live updates para po sa inyong lahat. Maraming salamat sa panonood at maraming salamat sa pag-subscribe.